Titan Lab Marketplace is here. Doctors can now access a global network of labs, explore new materials, discover different planning workflows, and choose the best options for each case, all without leaving Titan. From the main panel, open the Lab Marketplace. Here you'll find all connected labs by country, service, and materials. Additionally, based on your office location, the list will automatically display available labs that can supply your area, making it easier to find the closest and most convenient options. As a doctor, you can choose the lab you prefer with one click and manage everything from Titan. When you open a lab, you'll find a clear description of their services, along with direct access to their website, email, and phone number, allowing you to easily communicate with them and learn more details before signing up. Titan Lab Marketplace is designed to connect doctors and labs, maintaining fluid and direct communication between both parties. You can also subscribe, check pricing, and leave a rating based on your experience. We subscribe to the selected lab, and that's it. Immediate confirmation. Once you subscribe to a lab, it will appear directly in your drop-down list within the treatment plan. Simply select the desired lab and submit the case immediately without having to leave Titan. At the end, rate the experience. Your ratings help the entire community make better decisions. The rating system also ensures maximum quality, as it motivates laboratories to maintain high standards and deliver the best results. With Titan Lab Marketplace, the future of dental planning is in your hands. One global network, endless possibilities.